Welcome to BigLedger. Today, we're taking the standard POS interface and configuring it to run as a comprehensive loyalty and rewards engine. By the end of this guide, you will know exactly how to set up reward rules, enable point redemptions, and process hybrid checkouts where customers pay with a mix of points and cash. To follow along, make sure you have administrator access to 4 key areas: the dock item maintenance, Pricebook, Cashbook, and POS general applets. Establishing these rules in the backend allows the system to apply complex pricing logic automatically, keeping the checkout process fast and error-free for the cashier. We start in the dock item maintenance applet. Under the Pricing Scheme tab, you'll find the toggles that control whether a specific item is eligible for point rewards or redemptions. To activate an item, turn these toggles on, assign the point value, select your point currency, and set the validity dates for the promotion. To allow customers to buy an item using a combination of points and currency, this is also where you define the cash top-up price. While item-level rules are useful, the Pricebook applet allows you to build broader, store-wide point-earning campaigns. In the Dock Header Rules tab, you can target specific membership tiers. For example, ensuring a promotion applies exclusively to Black class members. Then use the Single Line Rules tab to refine the campaign by selecting the specific item codes or product categories that qualify. Finally, configure the math in the Treatment tab. By setting the price source to transaction amount and applying a multiplier, you define exactly how much money spent converts into loyalty points. Automating these rules in the Pricebook ensures that cashiers never have to calculate complex promotional math during a busy shift. To enable the register to accept points as payment, open the Cashbook applet. In the Edit Settlement Method screen, set your settlement type to membership point currency. You should also define a settlement limit percentage. This restricts the maximum portion of a total bill that can be covered using points. This limit protects your daily cash flow, while still providing a clear path for customers to use their hard-earned rewards. Now that the backend is ready, let's look at the cashier workflow. On the POS applet main screen, start by clicking the Member button to link an account to the transaction. You can search by name or mobile number. Once selected, the interface displays the member's identity, current point balance, and tier. The moment you scan an eligible item into the cart, the system references your Pricebook rules and calculates the reward in the background. The interface displays the exact number of points rewarded for that item, confirming rules are active. Because the system applies the logic instantly, the cashier can stay focused on the customer rather than the math. Points become even more valuable during redemptions. Let's look at a scenario where a customer wants to use their balance for a high-value item. If the customer lacks the required balance for a full redemption, the system triggers a red warning banner to prevent an invalid transaction. However, if the balance is sufficient, the interface instantly drops the payable price of the item to 0. You can also process a hybrid checkout using the cash top-up price we set earlier. This bridges the gap when a customer's points only cover part of the cost. To do this, apply the point redemption settlement method first to clear the available points. Then settle the remaining balance using a standard payment method like cash or credit before finalizing. Providing these flexible payment options ensures customers can always get value from the program, which helps prevent abandoned sales at the counter. You can verify the transaction's impact immediately. The Member Statement tab shows a clear ledger of every point earned and spent with precise timestamps. We've covered the full journey, from establishing item rules and settlement limits to executing point-based settlements at the register. This configuration automates the logistics of your loyalty program, ensuring every transaction builds the necessary data and incentives to keep your customers